Deep beneath the waters of the Celtic Sea lies a remarkable underwater realm known as the Celtic Deep. This vast and diverse marine ecosystem is a hidden gem of the Atlantic, teeming with life, where currents converge and nutrient-rich waters create the perfect environment for an array of creatures. The Celtic Deep is characterized by its deep-sea trenches, open water, and vast sandbanks. These environments support a rich biodiversity, offering a sanctuary for both resident and migratory species. In the open waters, large marine predators roam freely. Blue sharks, with their sleek bodies and piercing eyes, glide through the water, often spotted by divers and researchers. These waters are also home to the magnificent basking sharks, the world's second-largest fish. Though intimidating in size, these gentle giants swim slowly, filtering plankton from the nutrient-rich waters. Atlantic bluefin tuna also visit these waters, capable of speeds up to 43 miles per hour, hunting schools of fish like herring and mackerel. Far below on the seabed, vast sandbanks stretch across the ocean floor. These banks are home to bottom-dwelling species like plaice, sole, and turbot. Thornback rays and lesser-spotted dogfish glide effortlessly over the sands, blending into their surroundings. Scuttling across the seafloor are various species of crabs, such as the brown crab and the velvet swimming crab, which feed on small fish and invertebrates. These sandbanks are a feeding ground for larger predators like porpoises and dolphins, who hunt the small fish and crustaceans living there. Even angel sharks, critically endangered and elusive, have been spotted lurking in these waters, using the sandbanks to ambush prey. The Celtic Deep's deep-sea trenches are some of the least explored areas in these waters, but they hide a fascinating world of creatures adapted to the cold, dark depths. Conger eels, with their long, sinuous bodies, slither through the trenches, while monkfish lie motionless on the seafloor, waiting to snatch passing prey. The rare black-bellied anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, attracts smaller fish in the dark depths, showcasing the eerie beauty of life in the deep sea. Even here, crabs such as the spider crab roam the trenches, feeding on detritus and smaller creatures in the darkness. Above the water's surface, the Celtic Deep serves as an essential habitat for seabirds. The cliffs and rocky outcrops surrounding the deep are home to species like gannets, razorbills, and puffins, which plunge into the sea to catch fish like sand eels and herring. During migration, Manx shearwaters and storm petrels pass through these waters, navigating the vast Atlantic. One of the most awe-inspiring sights in the Celtic Deep is the presence of whales and dolphins. Minke whales, with their distinctive dorsal fins, swim gracefully through these waters, often seen breaching or slapping their tails on the surface. During the summer months, fin whales, the second-largest whale species, also migrate through these waters, sometimes accompanied by pods of common dolphins, known for their playful nature. Even the majestic humpback whale has been spotted here, breaching spectacularly in search of food. The Celtic Deep is also an important feeding ground for the iconic gray seals. These powerful marine mammals can often be seen hauling out on nearby islands or diving deep into the ocean to catch fish, octopuses, and crustaceans, including various species of crabs. Their pups are raised on the rocky shores of nearby islands before taking their first swim into the vast Celtic waters. But like many marine ecosystems, the Celtic Deep is under increasing pressure from human activity. Overfishing, plastic pollution, and the impact of climate change threaten the balance of life in these waters. The delicate marine food web that sustains everything from plankton to whales is at risk of disruption. However, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this precious habitat. Marine protected areas have been established, and sustainable fishing practices are being promoted to safeguard the future of the Celtic Deep. By studying and understanding this unique ecosystem, we can work to ensure its survival for generations to come. The Celtic Deep is more than just a stretch of water. It's a vibrant, living system, supporting some of the most incredible creatures on our planet. By protecting it, we are also protecting the future of our oceans and the life they sustain.